All right, now that we have our profile built out, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and add our email account. Now, the reason for this, over the next 14 days, we're going to be doing some really cool things inside of SAM that involve it really leveraging the power to be able to create custom content specifically for the person who is receiving it and then send it on your behalf. But to be able to do that, we need to add our email account. So we've made a really easy process, and we're going to go ahead, we're going to dive in that together. Navigating back into the Systems Accelerator Manager, on the top right-hand side, we're going to click on that big white circle with your initials again. And from the drop-down menu, we're going to select integrations. Now, you're going to see lots of different integrations, but today the integration we're going to be focusing on is this Google integration. So go ahead and click on it, and you're going to have a drop-down menu appear. Now, from here, what we need to do is click this blue Add Authorization button. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to bring a pop-out that if you have a Google account on this specific browser, it's going to pre-fill that, and you can go ahead and click on it. If not, go ahead and just fill in your Google email address credentials, and you'll be able to start that sign-in process. Now, from here, once you've signed into your Google account, Google is going to ask if you give permission to the Systems Accelerator Manager to have the ability to send emails on your behalf. So essentially what it's asking is, hey, are you okay with Sam being able to do this for you? Hit continue. And then it's going to ask you exactly what you want this email address to be doing. So we need to click this send emails on your behalf. Now, what this means is Sam is going to generate the email and it's going to send it out. At that point, it gets sent to Gmail. Gmail says, oh, I received this email that's supposed to be sent by me. It's being sent to me from Sam. I know Sam's a trusted authority, and so I should be able to send that out. But you have to verify that that's exactly what you want to do. Now, if for some reason you want to learn more, you could click that Learn More. And then after that, you can go ahead and scroll all the way down and hit this continue. Now from here, Sam is going to patch all of it together and you're going to see your email account now available. Now, a couple things worth noting here. If for some reason you have several different emails that you want to add, go ahead and just click that add authorization. Maybe you have a second email you want to use. Perhaps it's like my help at Workflow Secrets. Or perhaps you have an assistant or a personal email. Whatever it is, you can add these secondary emails. The same process will apply, and then it'll get added. At that point, you are ready to go, and you now have your email integrated. And we're going to be using this very shortly in the next several days. But before we do that, we need to actually generate some resources to start driving leads into our business. And we're going to build out some contacts, and we're going to do some other really crazy things. But this is the important first step because we need to make sure that Sam both understands exactly who we are and Sam has the ability to send out emails with us. So thank you for following along, and I will see you in the next training.